Okay, class, I'm going to go over number 2 with you. Number 2 has 2 moves to make. So it says 1 unit right and 2 units down. And we start off with a triangle. And I've redrawn it bigger on this piece of graph paper. So this is triangle TIE. And I've listed all of the points. -5, -1 is T. -5, -3 is I. And -1, -1 is E. Alright, below I'm going to perform the operations to move the triangle. So if it says 1 unit right, remember I said on the last video that the x-axis is what moves left and right. So I am going to operate on the x coordinate to move it 1 unit right. So since it's moving right, that's a positive move, so I'm going to add 1 to the first number. So that'll be -5 plus 1. Okay, and we have another move to make, 2 units down. The y-axis moves up and down. So if I'm moving 2 units down, down is negative. I'm going to take 2 away from the y coordinate. So that'll be -1 minus 2. And -5 plus 1, that's going to give you -4. And if you do -1 minus 2, if you can't think of what that is, remember we can do keep, change, change. So you'll have -1 plus -2, so that's -3. Alright, so your new point, T prime, will be -4, -3. It will shift that point 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. Alright, the next point is I, and I is -5, -3. So I prime would be -5 plus 1 again, because it's 1 unit right, and -3 minus 2, because it's 2 units down. And again, I will get -4 as the first coordinate. I prime will be -4. And the second coordinate, the y coordinate, again, if you want to do keep, change, change, -3 plus -2, that'll give you -5. Alright, the last point, E, is -1, -1, and we're going to move it. So E prime will be -1, 1 unit right plus 1, 2 units down, -1 minus 2. So -1 plus 1, those are opposites, so that adds up to 0. So E prime will start off 0. And then if you want to do keep, change, change, keep, change, change, -2 plus -2. Again, we get -3. We get the same thing as the first point because they're the same. T had -1 in the y, as a y coordinate, and E has -1 as a y coordinate. Alright, so let's get to graphing. And I'm going to use the blue pen to graph it so you can see the difference. So -4, -3, start at your origin, go over to -4, and then go down 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right here. So that'll be T prime. And then I prime, -4, -5, go over to -4, and then down 5, and that will be I prime. And then E prime, go to the origin and go down to -3. And that's going to be E prime. Now let me connect them. Now let's just check. Let's trace one of the points to see if it actually moved 1 unit right and 2 units down. So let's go with T. So if I take that point and move 1 unit right, I'll be right here at -4, -1. And then 3 units down, 1, 2, 2 units down. Why did I say 3 units down? 2 units down. I was in the right place. So go 2 units down, go, let's start over. 1 unit right, and then 2 units down. 1, 2. Right on the money. We can go ahead and check all of them. Let's do I, 1 unit right and 2 units down. 1, 2. Right on the money again. I to the I prime. And then E, 1 unit right and 2 units down. E prime. So there's your new triangle in the right position. It has been translated 1 unit right and 2 units down. Hope this helps you.